Terrified tourists had to be rescued by a flotilla of boats after fleeing a resort in Turkey as killer wildfires swept along the coast. Hotel guests rushed to the beach at Bodrum, where an array of craft including private yachts and fishing vessels took them to safety. The death toll from the string of blazes blighting the country yesterday reached 8 as 2 more people died near the town Manavgat. Hundreds of others have been left injured or homeless as the fires continue to threaten popular seaside resorts in the southwest. Flames could be seen leaping into the air and thick smoke darkened the sky as firefighters tackled the infernos, believed to have been started deliberately. Over the weekend, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan visited the devastated areas that have been declared disaster areas. He said, "We cannot do anything beyond wishing the mercy of God for the lives we have lost, but we can replace everything that was burned." The Turkish government yesterday insisted more than 100 wildfires have been brought under control. While the government investigated the possibility of arson, others argued climate change may be to blame. A heatwave across southern Europe has led to wildfires in nearby nations such as Italy and Greece. Turkey's 60-year temperature record was broken last week when the town of Cizre hit 49.1 C. The death toll from wildfires on Turkey's southern coast rose to 8 today as firefighters battled for a 5th day to contain blazes still raging in coastal resort towns. Two more people died due to wildfires in the southern town of Manavgat, Health Minister Fahrettin Koca said, adding that 10 others were receiving treatment in hospital in the area. YouTuber Is a Coppa posted on Twitter, "These are like scenes from a horror movie, but unfortunately it's all true." "We're out of breath watching, a black hand is squeezing our throats, and sadly it's not over yet." Semil Wunner, 60, lost all the money she had saved to her cancer treatment when her home burned to the ground. She said, "I sold my cow for my cancer treatment, it was my only savings." "I put the 15,000 lira, around £1,200, I got from my cow in my pillow. I tried to forcefully open the door and save my money from the flames, but it didn't work.